Hi, I'm Raquel and this is Law Librarian Plans. Today I am setting up the monthly spread in my Catchall planner for the month of March 2026. Let's get started. I am using a planner kit. This is a kit from I think last year, maybe the year before, I'm not entirely sure, but I had this kit and I thought I'm gonna try using it. I have a bunch of these journal kits and somehow I just never used them. So I thought, why not? Let's get it going. So what I'd like to do is I am going to use these pretty little strips that are kind of washi like, and I'm going to use them to decorate the top border of this spread. I thought it might be kind of a fun little something different that I don't usually do here. And we're going to do it like so. And then cut that one. And we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay. I already predated this. I had originally started recording this video as I was dating it, and then I made a big mess. I got the dates wrong, so I had to redo it. And I thought, you know what? I'm not doing that. I'm not putting that on video. So normally it takes me about 5 minutes to date something, and I just don't know what happened that I got so messed up with the dates. But anyway, all right, so I use this one here. It's so much easier if I just flip it upside down. Sorry about that, guys. So I love St. Patrick's Day. I never go out for a parade or anything like that, but I just love, well, green is my favorite color, so that already is a thing. And I don't know, I like all Celtic type things, including the Celtics, which don't ask me why it's pronounced that way. That is the way it's pronounced. But anyway, so I will not miss an opportunity to decorate in green either. All right, so there we have our border. I think it looks so cute. I think it just gives it that little touch of something. All right, I think this one goes on this end. Let me see what else. I am on vacation this week, so I'm going to mark that off as a vacation week. And vacation starts on the Sunday. Why not? And it's on the Saturday, because by the next Sunday I'm going to be in full on, oh my God, it's time. I got to get ready to get back to work, blah, 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 blah. So it's been a very, very weird winter. Not weird, but I mean, we got so much snow and whatnot. We actually worked from home this whole past week. I'm filming this on February 28th. And it's so confusing for my brain, because my brain is like, wait a minute, where are you? What are you doing? But this week I will be purposely at home and definitely not working. So actually, I do have one meeting I have to attend this week, but I can attend it virtually. So I don't have to, but there's certain meetings that I don't like to miss, especially because they're not recorded and there are no minutes. So if somebody were taking minutes, I'd be gladly stay home and not go and then just go and look at the notes. But I've learned my lesson and I've missed important things. I mean, not lesson, but I've missed things that were important to me. And so I won't do it again. So, all right. I don't even know where that goes. I'm just going to try to put it back. Trying to put it back and not knowing where it goes, kind of hard to get it in the right spot. Anyway, all right. What else? What else do we want to do here? I think I want to use some of these corners, because why not? So I think I'm going to use this one. Not a lot of deco. Just enough to get me into trouble. But that's good. That still leaves most of the day uncovered. And I'll put another corner, if I have another corner that I can, ooh, look at this one. How fabulous. All stripey and fun. So I'm going to put this one over here. Okay. I like the deco. I think it's very cute. So, and this is a very functional spread, so I want to make sure that I leave room for that. All right, let's start with the first week. That first week, I need to make this bigger. So I have my calendar for work. or my calendar, which is both my work and personal calendar on Outlook. So that's why I'm like turning my head around. Okay, this is an important day. So we have both a faculty meeting and an event. So what do I want to use here? I think I want to use two different things. I want to use one of these skinny ones, maybe. Yeah, I'll use the skinny one. And then I'll use a splotchy one. Maybe. Can't really write on those. I'll just use two skinny ones because, or, oops, maybe this and this. I don't love the shapes together. So, you know what I mean? It's like one of those things that I'm like, yeah, it doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna save that. I think I'll use two of these. These are, I can't really write on these either, but. No, can't really write on that either. Cute, because this is for a journal, and so I understand why I'm like having all this trouble. But I'll just use two of these and just be done with it. Or maybe this splotch and that one. These two. This and this. Okay, that works. Those are both kind of organic little rounded shapes. They have little round edges and stuff. This is not working. Let's put it back where it goes. And this one is trying to get off the page. Okay. Then the 5th, the 6th, nothing doing, you know, and I usually don't put work things here except for the fact that this is a meeting. I'm going to be in person that day for sure. And then there's an event that night. So I want to dress up a little bit nicer that day. That's basically all it does. All right. On the next week, there's absolutely nothing for work, but I do have a doctor's appointment on the 10th. So I'm going to use, I think, this gold one here to mark the doctor's appointment. What time is that appointment? Oh, it's in the middle of the freaking day. I hate that. All right. That weekend, we have a hockey game on the 14th. And you know something? This is closer to the color of my hockey team. So it's going to go here instead. See how easy that sticker came off? That's the beauty of the Planner Kate stickers. And it goes right back on. No trouble at all. So, I really don't want to use that. Oh, fine. I'll just use it. Sort of navigating or not navigating. I'm sort of going to that color, you know, pulling that same color all the time. All right, the 10th. So we're done with that week. That was a pretty easy week. Then the following week on the 15th, I have a meetup. So, planner meetup. I think I'm going to use the dark green. And then I'll put a shape over it, something else. You know what? Why not? We can just do that. The heck. This kit is not going to be used for anything else, so I might as well use up as much of it as I can. That'll be the planner meetup. Okay. Then the 18th, I'm out of the office. I think I have, why am I out? Oh, because I have another doctor's appointment. How fabulous. So that day, let me just use this. Actually, I think I have another hockey game this month, so I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to put the, I can use a white pen with this. Why not? The 18th, I'm out of the office for my doctor's appointment. Okay. 19th, 20th is a dress up day. So for 20th, I'm liking the more organic shapes better than what do you call them? Than the squares like these. So on the 20th, that's an important date. I'm going to do the same thing I did before, blob and box, because it's two different things happening that day. Actually, yeah, that's fine. I had to embrace the fact that I gravitate to this color combination, to this color. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to put it this time. I'm going to put it this way. So we have accept a student day and a retreat that day. All right. On the Saturday, there's an event, which I don't think I'm going to. So I'm going to skip that. I'm not feeling up to it. Oh, on the 23rd, I have an event. Oh, I knew I had another hockey game. So we're going to put this gold one here for the hockey game. On the 23rd, I have an after hours event, which I'm going to layer with this. I like the layering thing. It's kind of fun. Then on the 24th, 24th is going to be a banner day. 24th, I have a doctor's appointment. And I'm also teaching that night online. So I got to make sure that I mark both of those things. I may work from home that day. Oh my goodness, the end of the month is exciting. I have a dentist appointment on the 26th. And I'm running out of shapes here. Guess I'm going to use this one. It's a very medically oriented month. Yeah, that was postponed. And I have an event on the 30th as well. Fabulous. I love it. 30th, an event. It's a busy month. Well, it makes sense to have a lot of events that month. It's the middle of the semester. And at this point, the weather's cooperating a little bit more. So, yeah. All right. Wow, that is a lot. All right. So now I want to just see what else I can add here. Paydays. What are my paydays? So the 20th is a payday. And I think I'm going to use these little flags. 20th, which is a day that already has a lot of stuff on it. Can I put this in here like so? I like to know when I'm getting paid. And I haven't done anything for St. Patrick's Day, I realize. So I'm going to try to do something there. I probably have a sticker somewhere that says St. Patrick's Day that I can use. So I'll probably put that on. But wow, I did not realize this month was going to be that crazy. And I have these decorative days of the week. I'm going to use them because, again, where in the heck else am I going to use these? So, nope, that's not Monday. That's Sunday. See what I mean about dating things wrong? Monday. Oh, that stinks. They're the same color. Phooey. So these are made for a Monday through Sunday kind of person. At least, well, they're not. They're just, that's the coincidence because I happen to use a Sunday start monthly. So, and these are for a weekly, most likely. But I like them and I want to use them. So, Wednesday. Use all the stickers. Use them all. Every single one of them. Thursday. Friday, Saturday. I could have dated this for a Sunday, a Monday start, but, and that's one of the beautiful things you can do with these, but at this point, it doesn't matter. Sunday, Saturday. Okay. Good. I like the color. I like a lot of color there. I paid my bills on the 10th. I'm going to use this little splashy kind of, this little plaid kind of thing. It's just a visual reminder. I don't have to write in there. What else happens? I think that's about it. I don't put trash days or anything like that because those go to my weekly. There's this whole open space here. I could have used the Monday, Tuesday. These right here are pretty cute. Those would have been good too. Would have been a good option. But I am going to decorate a little bit more, maybe. We'll see. Oh, I kind of like this. I like this crosshatch pattern. It's kind of a fun, very graphic kind of idea to include here. I'm just filling in the space because this is, those 4 days are in part of April, so thought why not? Is there anything else we can possibly use here to decorate this? Because again, the rest of these stickers will probably go unused. I think I'm going to put, I'm trying to decide. Do I want to use the tiny one and then put a sticker over it? Or do I want to use the bigger pieces? I think I want to use the bigger pieces and then put the sticker over it. Yeah, that works. All right, and then I'll find a black I'm not cutting that straight at all, but there we go, close enough. I'll put a black St. Patrick's Day sticker there. I really like all these cute little like things. Where can I put cute little things? I don't know where I can put cute little things. 20. I want to put it here because this is the meetup, so that's kind of fun. I'm going to put them around the fun things. How about that? Meetup is fun, and hockey games are fun. I'm a sucker for stickers. What can I say? It looks like a candy now. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then I'll put one here. Like that. All the fun stickers. All the fun stickers. Okay. That's good. All right. I'm going to stop there. So again, this is my monthly spread for the month of March of 2026 in my Catchall planner. I used Planner Kate stickers to decorate this heavily and to make it functional as well. So I'll write on this after I'm off camera. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.